They used to call me lightning, I was always quick to strike. Had everything I owned in the saddles on my back. I had a reputation for never staying very long, just like a wild and restless drifter, like a cowboy in a song. I met a dark-haired beauty where they lay the whiskey down in southern Arizona, in a little border town. She had to dance for money in that dusty old saloon. I dropped $1 in the jukebox, played that girl a tune, yeah. Never see it coming, it just hits you by surprise. It's that cold place in your soul, that fire in her eyes that makes you come together like wild horses when they run. Now the cards are on the table and the bullets in the gun, yeah. She's sitting on my lap, we still had shots to kill when a man pulled up who owned the bar in a Cadillac DeVille. Grabbed her by her raven hair and threw her in the floor. Said no free rides for the cowboys, that ain't what I pay you for, no. She jumped up and grabbed my pistol, stuck it in the fat man's back. Said open up the safe and put your money in the sack. Tied his hands behind him and put a blindfold on his eyes. If you're dumb enough to chase this man, you dumb enough to die. Never see it coming, it just hits you by surprise. It's that cold place in your soul, that fire in her eyes that makes you come together like wild horses when they run. Now the cards are on the table and the bullets in the gun, yeah. We rode across the border, down into Mexico. When you're running from the law, ain't that where everybody goes? We came to a town with a name I couldn't spell. She gave me what I came for in that Mexican motel. I woke up to sirens and the sound of running feet. There were 50 federales locked and loaded in the street. She grabbed my 44, I grabbed the money in the sack. She kissed me for the last time and we headed out the back. Every gun was on us and every heartbeat pounded, and there's only one thing left to do when they got you all surrounded. She fired that old pistol, but we didn't stand a prayer. The money hit the gravel, bullets filled the air.
Okay, it's kind of blinking, but I've already got 3 minutes, so blinking.
You never see it coming, just hit you by surprise. It's that cold place in your soul, that fire in her eyes that makes you come together like wild horses when they run. Now the cards are on the table and bullets in the gun. Bullets in the gun. Bullets in the gun. Bullets in the gun. Getting colder, summer getting warmer, tidal wave come across the Mexican border. Wide back gallon is cheaper by the barrel, just don't get busted singing Christmas carols. That's us, that's right, gotta love this American ride. Both ends of the ozone burning, funny how the world keeps turning. Look, Mom, no hands, I love this American American ride. Mama gets her rocks off watching Desperate Housewife. Daddy works his can off paying for the good life. Kids on the YouTube learning how to be cool. Living in a cruel world pays to be a mean